Hello everyone. I think all of you are confused now how the school or the teacher will conduct the exam, because nowadays it is impossible to go physically to the school and to give the exam. So the teachers and the schools are following certain method or procedures by which they can conduct the exam. Okay, so that is just the generally the objective type of questions now made by the teachers by using certain Google form or certain procedures through which they can conduct the exam. So now the student have a question how they will solve or answer that such type of new type of procedures, or solve the question by using such new type of procedures. Okay, so what I am here, I am just explain you, or I am giving you demo how you will solve your question paper that the given by your teacher. Okay, so for that what happened, actually the teacher, depend upon the teacher will be, after making the question paper, she or he will send a link to you. So she may choose the email id or WhatsApp group that to send the link. That link when you will get, then you click on that link and you try to answer. Actually the WhatsApp is the best method to send the link, because in WhatsApp group of people are there, and directly the link will be received by the group of student or people. Okay, so you will just open your WhatsApp and you see your link and you have to click on that link. So I will show you how it will be, you will do. uh, Now just see here, I got a link here. Okay, that link is, and this for demo purposes I made that question paper for you. Whenever you see such a link here in your WhatsApp group, you just click on that link. So if you have a mobile, then you have to touch that part. Okay, or by if your laptop or desktop, you just click on that by moving the mouse pointer there. So after fill up, after fill up, so it will take the times to load in your mobile or laptop or desktop. So if your signal is just wait 1 minute. Now after clicking on that link, you will get such type of screen on your mobile or on your desktop or on your laptop. So it will depending upon your signal. If the network signal will be very strong, immediately it will be loaded, and if it is weak, then it will take time to load it on your mobile or on your laptop. Okay, so after getting such a question paper in front of you, you are seeing the question paper in front of you, you will answer asked by your teacher. Certain things the teacher will be made mandatory or compulsory for you, or like you are seeing a red mark here, red asterisk is here, that means it is compulsory. You have to type your answer name here. You have to type your name. If it is asked the roll number or class name or section name to mention, then you have to mention that also. It is depend upon the question what it is asking you. Okay, after that you will see the question. Now the question is objective type or multiple choice question. So you have options. Now you just see it is 1 point, the 1 mark if you will get if you make it correct. Now you just see I'm just make it correct keyboard, and if I don't satisfy the answer, I can change the answer also. Okay, so or clear the selection, by doing this clear the selection also it will be removed. So I just click on the correct answer. Okay, now after that I will just go for proceed to the next question. So same way I have to choose the correct answer, and after that I am getting the submit button. Okay, now you have to click on that submit button. Sometime what happened, the children are having a means that complain, after submitting also the question is not going to the teacher, but it is not happen like that. So if you not properly click on that place, or not push up the button, or not touch that button properly, that's not submitted to your teacher. Okay, so properly push or press or touch that submit button properly, then it will be goes to your teacher. Okay, now you see here the view the score, it is there, it is response has been recorded, means this response goes to your teacher, and now the teacher will also able to see your answer, your name, your score, everything, and simultaneously you also able to see your score, everything. So you, if it is depend, we submit another response is there, if the teacher is given a chance to submit another response, then you old response also can be removed and new response you can send. Okay, but most of the cases in the exam only one response will be recorded by the teacher, the next option will be not given to you. Another point you see here, just I'm just clicking on the view score, the score is coming in front of me, 2 out of 2. Okay, the answer is coming here. Now another thing I want to tell you, the time limit. Okay, if the teacher may, given the time limit that is 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes if you try to submit, that will not give you any result. Okay, so that result, or you will not able to see your answer or score, and it is not allow you to do the answer the question paper. Okay, and the date, same thing in happen in the date case also. If the today is 18, and if I'm making the question paper and you will try to submit in the 17, and I mention the time and date that is 18, then you will not able to fill up the question answer, or you will not able to fill up the question paper, and you cannot submit your answer on the 19th. Okay, so that is, be careful for that. Whenever you are getting certain link, you, what you will do immediately, the instruction is given by your teacher, so immediately you submit it, and it will be recorded by your teacher. Okay, so anytime you can view your score, your response, you can check and you can find out, and it is a permanent in your screen also, in your mobile also, in your computer and laptop. Whenever you want to see the question, you can able to refer it. Okay, now just to look at here. Now I hope all of you understood the procedures, how to submit, and what is the point you have to notate, that be careful about the time and date, and be careful about the, be check the signal at your home, where it will be properly strong, then that place you choose and to answer the question. And wait, if it is loaded, don't be panic, because it sometime it will take time to load it on your mobile, computer or laptop. Another point I want to tell you here, when you are attending certain online classes, that Google Meet or any online classes you are attending, and that time you, sometime you are be panic, you are not joined by your teacher, you are asking for the joining and the teacher taking time. So it is depend upon the signal, again the same case, in your home or in the teacher home, something is problem having the signal, that will take time. Okay, so don't be panic and wait for certain time. Okay, second point, when you want, suppose the class already started 15 minutes or 20 minutes over, and the teacher is busy for giving the demonstration or explaining certain things, he is unable to see your means request also, so that may be possible, so that she or he can be missed your request. Okay, so always be sincere and be punctual, and if the teacher is given 8 o'clock, then try to ready before 10 o'clock. Okay, so before 10 minutes you should ready for your class, so it will be help the teacher also and you also. Okay, I hope my suggestion and my video help you. Thank you.